before we seal everything, let's finish up our rolling pin. Move my words out of the way. I've got it painted, as you can tell here. I just want it covered, but I'm gonna do a little distressing. Surprise, surprise. So you're gonna think about where is it gonna be the most worn, and it's gonna be worn like on the edges and in the parts where people touch. Okay, and this is just how I would do it. And we're gonna come down here. And when we sand it, it's really just gonna look like it's part of the wood. So you can come back in too and wipe that off. See? And it just looks like the wood's peeking through. And then if you want it darker, you can do it again. And maybe like, I feel like gonna need some of them right around here too. Kinda. I'm gonna take my baby wipe again. Okay, and then I'm just gonna give it a little sanding. Oops, see, I did the fatal mistake. I rubbed the green paint dust on there. So I'm just gonna go over this and smooth it a little bit. Don't need a lot of sanding here. So I'm noticing too that this is really white right here. We're gonna come back and we can put some distressing on our printable. Okay, but this will just help it look a little more authentic. So there you go, we're ready to go there. The other thing I want you to do is before you Mod Podge that printable on, I just want you to make sure if this is all feeling nice and smooth to you, that's great. If it feels like, oh, I got a couple bumps I want to smooth out, just take that sandpaper right over it, because here's the deal. Your printable, if you have bumps in your paint, or you have like a place that wasn't smooth, that's going to show through on your printable, but as it stands, this should look really good. Okay, so I'm going to come back and we're going to start sealing our pieces. So come back and we're going to seal.